This tutorial explains the many useful features available to help you deal with the applications for your gigs. Every time you log in, any new or unread applications will be marked yellow in your application overview. Let's take a closer look at the gig application list. There are 5 tabs in the application overview. Requested artists for artists you've asked directly to play at this gig. Anyone interested? Here you can see applications from artists who don't match the requirements you're looking for, but decided to apply anyway. Applicants, the people who've applied for this gig. Offers, which contains the artists to whom you've already sent an offer. And booked artists, a list of all the deals which have already been negotiated for this gig. The extensive choice of filters allows you to create specific lists that match your desired criteria. You can also control how many applications you see per page and rank them according to their available search functions, including highest fee first or most recent applications first. The download button at the end of the line allows you to download the filtered list as a CSV file. In the list of applicants, you will be able to see at a glance the name of the artist, type of performance, genre, origin, and fee demanded. A green plus on a profile indicates that you're dealing with a premium artist. A yellow star shows that this is currently a featured artist. By clicking on the play button, you can listen to the artist's music directly from the application overview. The new menu bar at the bottom of the screen makes it easy for you to sort through your applications. You can skip artists, bring up the application directly on your screen, add the artist to your watch list, or reject the application. In addition to the play button, there are a couple more options which allow you to work directly from the application overview. You can make the artist an offer or reject him for this gig or even for all your gigs. The application overview lets you organize lots of applications and still have a good overview of everything. It's especially useful for very popular gigs or festivals. By clicking on the applicant, you go directly to their application. By using the close button, you can go back to the application overview at any time. In the overview, you'll see all the important info and selection criteria for the chosen artist. You'll also find a black toolbox at the bottom of the screen. Click on the small I to get background information on the artist, various links, tour dates, and others. The speech bubble brings up the messaging tool. This allows you to start a chat dialogue with the artist on gigmit, ask any questions, or send documents. The note icon allows you to make internal notes about artists, for example which festival slot they'd be suitable for, or what you like in particular about them. This function is especially useful when you work in a team. In your profile settings, you have the possibility to invite colleagues to work on bookings on gigmit. By doing this, several people can decide together which artists to select. The internal notes show, for example, when they were written and which colleague wrote them. This is great when making decisions for big events with complex bookings for several stages and days. It goes without saying that the artists don't get to see these notes. The Edit Tags function allows you to add tags to the artist, which you can then filter in the application overview. It also lets you create a ranking or automatically sort through the list of applicants. The chosen tags appear in the overview next to the artist names. The next button adds an artist to your watch list, which you can access at any time from the main navigation bar. This is useful for artists who you don't want to book for your current gig, but want to keep in mind for future events. If you already know which event you want to use the artist for, simply click on the plus sign and ask the artist for that specific event. The last tool is the favorite button, which is also very useful if you're booking events as part of a team. Each of your colleagues can select individual artists as their favorites, and the number of favorite stars will be shown in the application overview next to their names. The favorite screen view gives your team members a quick overview of which act is most popular and which should be first to get booked. Here's an example. You're working in a team of 3 responsible for booking a large event. Each of you tags their favorite acts with second round, which can then be filtered to produce a second round list of applications. Then, Each of you checks out the second round list and adds a star to the best acts, thereby creating an efficient and organic ranking of the most popular acts. By doing so, the final booking decisions can be made in a more informed and faster way. Don't forget about the important buttons Make an Offer and Decline Artist. You can learn more about these in our tutorial How to Book an Artist.